Hello, this is Karen, and today I'd like to show you how to do this quick, easy, simple double crochet headband. And for this you need your yarn, a hook, scissors, a needle, and a little scrunchie. And you start off with a slip knot, and you do a chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you double crochet in the beginning chain, which is right there. So you'll have two double crochets on the hook, 2 double crochets. The beginning chain counts as 1, which would be right here, and then you have your second one. Then you do another row of double crochets. So that's your first one, and then you turn, and then you double crochet in your beginning chain. That's row 2. Then for row 3, you have 4 double crochets. So we'll do the chain 3, turn, then you do another double crochet in that beginning, the bottom of the beginning chain. So you have 2 in that one. And then the next double crochet, you do 2 more, for a total of 4. And then you do a total of 4 rows of 4. So I'll let you do that, and then I'll meet you back at the end of that. Hello, I'm back. So as of now, you have the two rows of 2 double crochets, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of the 4 double crochets. And then you chain, then this next row will have 8 double crochets. So you'll do 2 in that one, two in this one, there's 4, then 2 in the next 2, and that'll give you the 8. One and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do 16 rows of the 8 double crochets, and I'll see you back at the end of that. Hello everyone, right now I have just completed the 16 rows of 8 double crochets, and now we're on the other end where we'll start decreasing. And to do that, to start decreasing, I want to just pull up loop and do like a single crochet, and then pull up 1 loop, go through, pull up another, and then do the double crochet. And that looks almost like we did those 2 together, so we'll just count that as 1. Then yarn over, pull up a loop, go through 2, then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over. So we'll have 3, and then we'll just pull it through all 3 and decrease there. And then we'll do a decreasing double crochet stitch in each of the next sets of 2. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, go through 2, then go through all 3. And by the time we are done with this, we should have 4 sets, and then we'll Then we'll do 3 rows of just 2, 3, which counts as 1, and then we'll do 3 more rows of just 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, then here's the 4th. See, and we're back down to 4 double crochets. And chain 3, turn it, and do 4 double crochets. And then we'll do that one more time, and then we'll decrease again to 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and there we are. And then we'll decrease again, which turn it, and this is how I'll do it again. I'll see if I could get it closer so you can see. Just pull there, so it's like single straight into a single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, got another piece of thread there, yarn over, pull up a loop, and go through the 3. Actually, go through 2, and then go through 2. Yarn over, go through 1, pull up a loop, go through 2, then yarn over and go through the last one. Yarn over, go through 2, and you have 3 on there. Go through 3. Then you're down to 2. So you're down to 2, so just yarn over and go on the next one. So you're down to your 2. Then you pull it through and end it off. Make sure you leave enough of a thing. Okay, and now that we've cut off the ends and we have it like this, we'll use these ends to sew it around the little scrunchie. So thread your needle, take the scrunchie, put the needle through it, and then you just bend this over there, and then you just sew it together a few times. Just back and forth so it holds it. And then you just tuck in the end. Snip off the end. And since I fold it over this way, this will be the inside part. So that when I'm done, I will fold it over I'll just turn it the other way and it'll look a little bit neater. Do the other side real quick. And make sure when you sew them in, you go over the same way around the thing, and make sure you don't twist the tie. And then you just sew it back and forth really quick to hold it. Just a few times. And then you tuck in the end. cut the end off. And this is how it looks when it's folded over. And then we just turn it around like that. So the tucked in parts are on the other side, and there, in that way it's stretchy. This part will go in the back, and it's stretchy, so it's adjustable, sort of. So, okay, well, thank you for joining me, and have a great day. And if you like the video, feel free to subscribe. And if you have any ideas on any other videos or tutorials you'd like me to do, you can contact me through email, Twitter, or Facebook. And I've attached the links to those on my page. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.